Okay guys, real quick intro. Welcome back to Arizona Insider. Today we're going to Arcadia, Arizona, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in all of Phoenix. And I'll just leave you with this. Originally developed back in 1919, large plats of land, citrus groves, and now a bunch of redone custom homes anywhere from $1 million to $6 million. So come hop in the car with me. We'll drive through Arcadia, and then I'll even give you some great aerial shots as we go through Arcadia. Hey, fun fact guys, I grew up in Arcadia. On the street we're driving down right now, Calle del Paisano, is the street I grew up on. So the house we're about to pass on the right is the one I grew up in. And it used to look like this. And now, you guys, it looks like this.